Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to OMG Scrunchie Club. And for those of you that are new, welcome to the club. My name is Lamiel and I am the OMG Scrunchie creator. Today's look that I am rocking is the Raven Crown headband. I don't have on any scrunchie earrings today. So if you want to get this headband, you can head over to omgscrunchieclub.com. This headband launches next Saturday. Okay, so if you clicked on this video, today is a craft video. In addition to making scrunchies and sewing, I also own a hairbow business, as well as I am an art teacher. So sometimes in my downtime, if I have time, I would like to paint and share some paintings along the way with you. So today's look for my painting is inspired by a gnome, or gnomes in general. So with all of my paintings, my hope is to incorporate an OMG scrunchie in the painting some kind of way. Fingers crossed if that can happen. But if I paint a guy, of course I won't put a scrunchie on him. But today's painting is this cute, lovely gnome painting, and I also will be teaching this in one of my paint classes online. So I have this girl gnome painting that you will watch once this video rolls, and you can see me paint this in the painting process. So I used acrylic paint for this, and if you're interested in knowing the paint colors that I use, just drop a comment below and I will be sure to post those colors in the description box below. Also, I did this guy gnome, but since he can't wear a scrunchie, I didn't post this as a video. And I am working on a Harley Quinn painting that I want to do, so I will probably record that. I'm going to make a stencil, or not a stencil, a traceable. I'm going to sketch out Harley Quinn first, then trace her onto the canvas and paint her. So I will be adding that as well for a YouTube video. And at any time, if you have any suggestions or ideas of things that I should paint with scrunchies, do let me know and drop that in the comment section. I love to paint animals, so I may do a panda or something cute with a scrunchie on as well. So let's get into this video. Also, before you go into this paint tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, the bell for notifications, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, go to omgscrunchieclub.com. So I will be doing a speed video of me doing this painting process. It took roughly about an hour or maybe less. I was watching something on the computer while I was doing it. So I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget, leave some suggestions of other things you would like for me to paint, as well as other scrunchie ideas that you want me to do. I do have a few more scrunchie videos that I'm working on as well. But thanks so much for tuning in, and here you drum roll go. Have a good day. See you at the end of the video. one last thing to finalize this as an OMG Scrunchie Club painting is to add some OMG Scrunchie tags on here. So I'm going to attempt to do this now, adding some tags. So I'm going to come off to the side, add my little black tag right here on the right side of this scrunchie. And let's see, I'm going to put it right about here on this one, because I don't want it to clash into the black since it's already a black tag. So I want it to sit on top of this orange so that it will pop. So I'm going to quickly blow dry this and add in my tag. Now I kind of feel like I should have put the tag over here, but it's okay. I can move it later if I don't like it. Okay, and this painting is done. So once again, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this painting process of this cute little gnome girl holding an animal print. I'm not sure what type of animal this is. Animal print pumpkin. And if you'd like, you can paint along with me on the next video, as well as give me some suggestions of other things to paint as well. I hope that you have a wonderful week, and thanks for watching. Bye.